Bathroom renovation ideas with different colors. When it comes to renovating your bathroom, one of the key decisions you'll need to make is what color scheme you want to use. Your choice of colors can have a big impact on the overall look and feel of your bathroom, so it's important to choose wisely. In this article, we'll explore some bathroom renovation ideas with different colors to help inspire your own bathroom makeover. Neutral colors. Neutral colors are a classic choice for bathrooms, as they create a calm and relaxing environment. Shades of white, beige, and gray are popular options, as they're easy to match with other colors and can be accented with different textures and finishes. If you're looking for a timeless and sophisticated look, consider using marble or natural stone tiles in your bathroom. Blue and green. Blue and green are popular colors for bathrooms, as they're reminiscent of water and nature. Light shades of blue and green can create a tranquil spa-like atmosphere, while darker shades can add depth and drama. Consider pairing blue or green tiles with white fixtures and accents for a clean and refreshing look. Black and white. Black and white is a classic color combination that can create a bold and modern look in your bathroom. Use black and white tiles in a checkerboard pattern for a retro vibe, or combine sleek black fixtures with white tiles for a minimalist look. You can also add pops of color with towels and accessories to create visual interest. Bold colors. If you're feeling bold, consider using bright and bold colors in your bathroom. Red, orange, and yellow can add energy and warmth, while pink and purple can create a feminine and playful vibe. Be sure to balance out bold colors with neutral or white elements to avoid overwhelming the space. Metallic finishes. Metallic finishes like gold, silver, and copper can add a touch of luxury and glamour to your bathroom. Use metallic tiles, fixtures, or accessories to create a high-end look that's both modern and timeless. Metallic finishes can be paired with any color scheme, so they're a versatile option for any bathroom renovation. In conclusion, your choice of colors can make a big impact on the look and feel of your bathroom renovation. Whether you prefer a classic neutral scheme or a bold and vibrant color palette, there are plenty of options to choose from. By using the ideas in this article as inspiration, you can create a bathroom that's both functional and stylish.